So it's another problem from CodeShop called find the minimum in rotated sorted array. So let's read what they are trying to say. Imagine you have an array of length n that can initially sorted in increasing order, but then it was rotated some number of time between 1 to n. A rotation consists of moving the last element of array to the first position. Okay. So what they are trying to say, if you have an array 7, if you have array, then after first rotation, the array looks like this one. If last element goes at first index, that's what they are trying to say. After second rotation, this looks like this one. This array looks like 6. Okay. So let's put this number in a graph and try to observe is there any pattern or not. Okay. So 6 7 lies something here, and 0 1 2 till 6. I think I wrote 6 2 times. Okay, it's not here. Okay. So one thing I observed, your graph always looks like this one. uh, this one, either this line is increased, or this line is decreased, or this line is increased, or this line is decreased, something like that. It always be there. Or one more thing, at the end, either this line disappear as well, because if you did this rotation 7th time, then you got this, which is already sorted, and graph of this sorted is straight line, right? So how we can find our answer? Let's suppose this is the array, and our graph is looks like this one. hmm. So let's suppose if I apply a binary search on this array, how we can find where is the minimum and how we can find. So let's suppose our median is some here. I mean, our median is hypothetically we, okay, let's suppose our median is lie here in this point. So we already know if our mid is less than end, so our answer doesn't lie here. Why? Because our median is already lesser than any of the element, right? So we can discard this section and ignore this section. How we can ignore in binary search? Just I mean shift our and from mid. So our new and is equals to mid. Okay, one more case. uh, let's suppose our median is lie here. So we can easily discard this section. uh, no, you can't discard this. You have to stay with this condition. You have to always discard greater ands, right? Then you can get close to your answer, right? Hmm. So I already implemented this section. If mid is less than mid is less than and equals to mid, which is this one, which I discard this section because I'm sure my answer is not here because mid is already lesser than, right? That's why. So I shift my and from here to here. If my mid is greater than if my mid is greater than this, greater than my and, right? In that case I have to start plus one. It's mid. Hmm. So I have to shift my start from start to mid plus one. Hmm. Um, okay, that's how I solved this problem, and you can see it's submitted, and uh, okay. Hmm. So there are few solutions. Few person have solved this. Okay, you can check.